For all of those that are Marines, yeah, supposedly, yes, that enlistment oath, yes, it's something that is enforceable during your whole life. Yeah. Now, a lot of these oaths they ask, well, why do you want the last 40 years? My thought is that if you were in office 40 years ago, yes, you were approximately 50 to 60 years old. Yeah. You're probably dead after that. And if you're dead, there's not a whole lot I can do, though I can go after your estates. Yes. But there's this idea of these amendments in the Constitution, and then the Marine that says, well, I will defend the Constitution. Yes. And I know that you have to follow orders of your commanding officer according to military law. I was kind of looking at it last night. Yes. But there's this other idea where, well, we know 4 years ago that Paul was going to sue us. Yes, yes, yes. So we fabricated a fake crime against him. Poop. We used mental evaluations to say that he was incompetent. Yes. We let him out of jail, and then we did it again in 2017. Now listen, Marine. This Fifth Amendment. Yes. Hmm. Nor shall any person be subject to the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb, nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Yes. Now, I can say, yes, emphatically, yes, without any doubt, that you have deprived me of my life, liberty, and property, yes, without any due process of law, when issuing protection orders from July 8th of 2011, yes, and then issuing a dissolution of marriage from February 11th of 2013. You have intentionally deprived me of due process because you're obstructing me of suing you. Yes. See, the thought was right now, the whole plan. Yes. He just told us that he's going to sue us 4 years ago. Yes. And wrote it down in a document that gave it to the city clerk, the public records officer. Yes. The individual probably read it and said, well, I better let the police department know about this because I'm a little concerned. Yes. But this oath that you swore when you got elected, yes, it's not just while you're in office. It has been said that it's enforceable until the day of your death. Now, we're going to test these laws about the oath of office. Yes, we are. Because I'll go after the last 40 years right now. Now, there's an attorney someplace in the United States that does know, yes, that when you get elected to office and you swear, you will support the laws of the state of Washington. Yeah. You will support the Constitution of the state of Washington. Yes. You will support the federal laws of the United States. Yeah. And you will support the Constitution of the United States. And to the best of your ability, you will never obstruct individuals from suing you. Now, this is a Fifth Amendment right. I just documented that I was going to sue you 4 years ago. Your idea was, well, we know about all of this forgery and fraud. Yes, we do. We know about the fraud of issuing protection orders where the judge doesn't have the authority to issue them. Yes. We know about the fraud of the two false attempts to serve me. Yes. We know about the fraud of serving me in the Squim Public Library. Yes, he does. And you're going to sit there every day. Yes. And you're going to expect the Marines of the United States of America to refuse to defend the Constitution of this. The Marines have a very large problem today. Now, each branch of the military, yes, has a certain understanding of what their oath of enlistment means. And in the Marines, as I understand Marines, yes, there's this idea that you would never, ever, ever violate the Constitution of this great